Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the water flow volume on your XIAOMI Robot Vacuum 5 for mop cleaning. This water flow volume is not for cleaning the floors, because for cleaning the floors you can actually set it simply here in cleaning settings. You can go to mode and change the water output for mopping, but the video is about adjusting the mop cleaning settings. So go to three dots in top right corner, mop cleaning settings, and you can find water output for mop washing, and you can select deep mop washing. So when your mops are being washed by the station, there's going to be more water used, and daily mop washing, which consumes less water. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.